How often should you retire your hair? What products would you recommend? Do you advise your clients to dye their hair? How long would it take for your lock to mature? How can we get rid of lint? Today I'm going to be answering all your burning questions about locks, and who best to ask all these questions than to ask my loctician. Guys, I'm going to insert a snapshot of my hair right now. We just finished a retightening schedule and it took a while, but I love the results. This is Quintessential Rex. So please, can you introduce yourself and tell me how long you've been doing locks for?
Good evening.
Yeah.
I'm Quintessential Rex Touch, and well, it's been quite a while, and probably 5 years now.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's a long time. And there's one thing you told me in our first retire that you love doing this.
yeah. Just like it's not actually a work to me anymore. It's just like a hobby.
A hobby.
Yeah.
And you know that thing where they say that once you're able to find something you love and make money from
Yeah.
it feels like you don't work a day in your life. Is that the truth?
Yeah. Something like that.
Honestly, his work is excellent and his excellence just speaks for him. So in
Thank you.
today's video, we are going to be asking him 10 of your burning questions about locks. I believe that it will help those that are trying to start up their lock journey to know better about locks. And for you that already have locks just like me, I'm sure it will help you to better take care of your locks. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first question, in your opinion, what is the best way to start locks? And why is that the best way?
Well, to me, locking, it actually depends on the hair, the texture of the hair. You know, in Nigeria here, basically there are some people that they just want the lock to their own taste, not like
What you can
considering
advise.
the hair texture, and it actually based on the foundation of the hair.
Okay.
And there are various ways of locking, and it depends on the outcome that the client actually wants.
Yeah.
So it is the outcome that I will like based on for
How you will now install the lock.
the lock. So
Okay, that makes sense.
There are methods of locking, which includes palm rolling, twisting,
Yes.
and
Interlocking. Yes.
So there are various ways of locking.
Yes, yes. I think he's actually right. It depends on what I'm trying to achieve.
Yeah.
Okay, so on to the next question. How do you want me to take care of my hair between retized schedules? How often should I wash the hair? Like, what should I do in between the time by myself?
When you actually retire, to take your time before the hair start,
Yeah.
get to off, and probably when you actually use the styling, when you relock, you actually have to style. It depends
on the client.
So when you actually use the styling, you leave it for a time, like maybe probably 2 weeks. So after you use the styling, you wash and add some natural oil to it for it to maintain the hair in a natural order.
Okay. So what oil do you like?
Well, I can't really say, but
yeah, but I noticed you like mostly like Shane's sprays as opposed to actual oil. Yes, they did not sponsor us.
Something like that.
Okay.
So
yeah,
it's actually based on the client preference. So.
Yes. Okay. Tell us one common mistake to avoid when starting your log. Like, what's one thing you see people trying to start logs? What's that mistake they make?
Well, for the hair, it must be healthy.
Yeah.
The hair must be healthy.
So, are you for those people that say you should at least trim the hair if it has dead hair?
No. I don't even like trimming hair when I want to start my work.
Okay.
I usually like examine the hair first, and after that, I will actually advise the client on
what to do,
on the options.
So, what's an unhealthy hair to you?
Basically, some clients, reason why they want to like start locking is because their hair is start
breaking.
So to me, that's an already
a red flag.
So I'll just advise the client to just keep it like maybe plating, or just
take care of your hair first.
So that's just it.
That makes sense actually. It makes sense to lock your hair when it's unhealthy because it's
Yeah,
like I mean just took everything
you need
inside.
to for it to like come out good. You have to
Yes.
keep the hair healthy.
How often should you retire your hair?
Yeah, it depends
It
on the client.
depends.
Yeah,
Yes, because someone like me now, I can't retire my hair every 2 weeks.
yeah, I know. But the
Yes.
thing is,
Mm.
well, it depends on the chance and the work.
So what's the time like
The time
variation?
frame, right?
Yes.
Should be 6 weeks or
6 weeks.
6 to 4 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah, that should be okay.
That should be okay.
Yeah.
Because some people's hair actually grows faster than others.
That's what I'm saying. Like the 2 weeks to some people is like maybe 6 weeks.
It's 6 weeks to others.
Yes.
Like me. Did you see much growth when you were retiring my hair? Was it significant? It was something, Sha.
Yeah, it's something.
Thank God. I just realized now that some of the questions I would have asked you, I've already asked them in the previous question because I was like, what products would you recommend? And then I just realized that we said we won't recommend products, but you said use healthy oil.
Yeah.
Okay,
and you should actually wash it when to lock in, the waxing and all stuff that is added to the hair.
Wow,
somehow inching to some clients. So I would advise for them to just wash it once in a week. And
how often should I wash my hair?
Once in a week.
Don't you think it would make the hair rough?
No.
No?
To actually make it more natural and
look
appearance,
faster. Yeah.
And to be good.
Okay. I'll try twice before the next retie. I don't know if I can jump to once in a week. Okay. Because I've been doing once a month.
Once a month?
Yeah.
It's your preference, not. But to me,
yes,
once a week
is good.
Because the dust and all, just to keep the hair healthy. Once you actually wash it, you should apply your oil.
Yes, okay, that makes sense. This question is very important. Can I dye my hair? Do you advise your clients to dye their hair? And if I should dye my hair, like at what point in my lock journey should I wait for my hair to fully mature? Because you would agree with me that my own lock is not 100% mature yet. Yeah, so at what point would you advise your clients to bleach or to dye their hair if they want to, and how should they go about it?
Well, that's a good question. But how to answer that is based on the hair texture. Okay. Because tinting at times actually tends to break
hair off.
And I usually do advise my clients is either you do it before locking or you actually wait like 3 to 6 months.
So your hair is mature.
Yeah. Something like that. So and you should like the colorist should actually know the product to use because there are so many fake products that
and lock is different from natural hair. You can't just be dyeing anything.
So it will just break the hair off if you don't use the right products.
Okay. Thank you so much. So everyone wants to know this question. How long would it take for your lock to mature? Like for example, I'm about 7 months locked and my hair is still not mature.
7 months.
Like if I really wanted to loosen this, I could. I know it's maturing, especially at the roots with the interlocking now. But like the end is still not mature. So typically from your clients, how long do you see that it takes for their hair to mature?
Well, locking is like a journey, like a patient journey, because patience is just the key.
Yeah.
So I think 1 to 2 years.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah. So it's patience. You have to be patient.
Be patient.
And the process is what
long.
will actually make the lock journey interesting.
Okay. All right.
So it'll be like it's from here and
yes, literally.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting. I know you also style locks.
Okay.
So what to you are the best styles for locks? I see some pictures sometimes and it feels like the hair is too tight, like they want to uproot the hair from the scalp. Like so to you, what are the best and healthiest styles and what accessories like beads or what do you recommend in terms of styling your locks?
Well, it depends on the preference of the client. And there are some audio like braid.
Maybe you send me some pictures to show them.
Surely do. So
yeah,
the accessory like bead. There are many accessories to it.
Yes. Is there anyone that can be harmful to the lock? that can like
No.
it depends on how you install it as well.
Yeah, it depends.
Okay. So that will depend on you because maybe if you're the one styling, you'll be the one putting it
So
on the
yeah,
hair.
something like that.
Okay, so that makes sense. So I'm going to be leaving Mr. Rex's number in the description box down below. If you're in Lagos, he's available to travel. Are you available to travel outside of
Of course,
Lagos?
I actually love traveling.
Just give me my money. The money
The
will
money.
speak for you.
I love traveling. Like,
Yes, he loves traveling and he's really like an on time kind of guy. So I'm going to leave his number in the description box down below and in the comment section. So you've seen his work, you've seen how neat it is. So if you want to get your hair relocked, whether you done traditional locks or sister locks or micro locks,
yeah.
he's your guy. All right, so before we continue with the questions, if you haven't subscribed, please, now is the time to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. All right, let's continue the video. So this one is one that I've noticed that a lot of people experience with locks. Even today when I was filming some short clips, I noticed some particles on my hair. So the question is, how can we get rid of lint and dandruff as one that is locked?
That's just a simple way of saying how to maintain
your hair.
So it actually leads to washing and not over like giving it to professional because there are some that they are not actually like professional but actually
like the people that
tend
installed
to
my
be
hair.
So over twisting of macro locking and over twisting it will actually spoil the hair and leave it to like can't even imagine.
But like the lint, that those particles, like, is it the over twisting that makes it enter inside? Like I don't understand how
Is
lint
keeping it like clean?
Yeah.
So that's why I said you should wash and apply
Maintain
the
it
oil.
well.
Yes.
So that's why you're even advising once a week.
That's
So if
the
something
reason
gets into your hair,
because of the dirty, the environment actually matters.
Okay, that makes sense. Even dandruff as well.
Both.
Okay. I almost want to like. I'm not sure I'm ready to take your advice to wash my hair once a week.
But you should
I
because
feel like by the time it's time to relock, the how my hair look like won't it look crazy? And I like the neat lock look, not the crazy
But the
look.
thing is, if you're actually like scared of the maybe
Repercussion, of
that's
washing
why you
off
should apply
oil
the
after
oil
oil.
because it will actually like make the hair glow and
Okay.
beaming.
Maybe after the next return, I'll try the proper time.
But
All
if you have
right.
your hair with you, so after and you should
Yeah.
use shampoo.
Yeah.
Residue free shampoo. You can use
Yeah.
that to just
To
wash it
wash your
and
hair and clean it up. I'll try that. All right. To the next question. So this question is like we're going to offend some people, and you might just offend me with this question. Depends on your answer.
Okay.
So out of the different types of locks, traditional locks, sister locks, micro locks, whatever type of lock you can think of, which one do you prefer the most?
Oh wow.
And I feel like you're going to offend and break some tables now.
Okay.
You might even offend me because I'm on the Microlocs team.
I know.
So based on your experience, based on longevity, those that you've seen their locks thrive and all that, which lock would you say is the best for you?
Though not to offend you.
Oh, I'm already offended.
Not to offend you. You see, there is this appearance that this traditional look actually gives. And to me, micro look is not premature, but the thing is I love micro locking. Yeah, but it's the timing. Like can you actually
sit down for it?
Yeah.
Yes.
And the traditional lock, it's actually like for me to lock my clients hair is like maybe 1.5 hour or 2 hours top. So you can't say that with micro locking.
Yes.
So the same with sister locking.
Micro locking is like doing braids every 2 months.
So that's what I'm saying. So
yeah,
the traditional locking actually keep the time.
It's lower maintenance.
Yeah. So and the appearance is more mature.
It looks like locks.
Yeah.
Is that what you mean?
Yeah. Ordinarily, that's what I mean. So to micro locking, it's like a baby locking to me. Yeah. like a baby
I guess I'm a
locking.
baby locks girl.
So
Yeah,
so micro
so
locking.
traditional locks for you.
Yeah, I like traditional locking. It's very fast and easy to
Guys,
catch. You know.
guys, are you hearing him? Please, those of you that are locticians are watching this video and you prefer Microlocs, please leave it so I will know that we are not alone in this game. But I think it's really I think I get it from the angle of a loctician.
Okay,
But I think for the client, it will be based on the look you're going for.
that's what I said.
Yes, it will really be based on the look you're going for.
Yeah.
So thank you so much. Thank you for
Welcome.
indulging me and answering all my questions. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. If you have more questions about locks, you can leave it in the comment section below. I might just convince him to do another video. Or if he does not want to do another video, maybe I can ask him the questions and then he can tell me the answer and I'll type it for you guys in the comment section
You can
below.
actually visit you.
Yes, yes, you can. And you can call him up on phone and book. Please don't call him for any other reason than money, than business. Please. All right. Thank you so much for
All
watching
right.
this video. Please, and thank you so much, Mr. Rex,
You're welcome.
Quintessential Rex,
Yeah.
the excellent dread guy. All right. So please subscribe to this channel. Give this video a huge like. Share with your friends that have been thinking on starting a log journey or are on their own log journey and they need to know one or two things. And subscribe to this channel because honestly, I bring the best hair and microlocs content out there.
And please keep your lock clean.
Keep it clean, please, so that that whole
With lint and
yes,
all.
all that perception that those that have locks are dirty, it will end. Please, even
Even though you
myself, I
don't
think
usually like the lock, you should
at
keep it
least keep it
clean.
clean.
Yeah.
Let it look neat. Let it not be the locks for mad people.
Nah, like all this Yalaka
Yes.
stuff.
All right. Thank you guys so much and
Bye bye.
peace.